Welcome to Drive Vibes. Today we are taking a nostalgic ride back in time with the legendary 1954 Chevrolet Thriftmaster, a truck that still rules the hearts of classic car lovers around the world. This iconic machine represents a golden era when design was simple, strong, and full of character. The Thriftmaster is more than just a pickup. It is a symbol of durability, charm, and American craftsmanship that refuses to fade away even after decades. The exterior of the Thriftmaster brings pure vintage beauty. Its rounded fenders, broad chrome grille, and smooth curves give it a style that stands out instantly. The body lines flow with elegance, making the truck look both friendly and tough at the same time. The classic steel body construction adds to its timeless appeal, showing the strength and solid build quality that old Chevrolets were famous for. The woodbed floor is another highlight, offering a warm and rustic touch that modern trucks simply cannot match. The interior is simple yet surprisingly comfortable. Step inside and you feel the old-school charm. The large steering wheel, basic instrumentation, and wide bench seat give it a pure classic truck feel. Everything is built for practicality. No complicated gadgets, no unnecessary distractions, just a clean and functional cabin that takes you back to an era when driving was all about the experience. Despite its age, the seating position is comfortable, giving the driver a clear view of the road ahead. Under the hood, the Thriftmaster delivers a dependable performance. Its engine is known for being incredibly reliable and easy to maintain. It may not offer modern speed, but it provides smooth torque and a steady ride that suits the classic driving style perfectly. The manual transmission adds to the old-school experience, letting the driver feel connected with every shift. This truck was built for work, and even today, restored models can still pull, haul, and handle rough roads better than many expect. On the road, the Thriftmaster feels honest and raw. There is no power steering, no advanced suspension, and no electronic assistance. What you get instead is a mechanical connection that brings pure joy to those who appreciate vintage machines. Every sound, every vibration, and every movement reminds you that you are driving a true classic. This truck teaches patience, skill, and respect for the road, and it rewards you with a driving experience that modern vehicles simply cannot offer. Collectors love the Thriftmaster because of its strong resale value and its popularity in the restoration world. Parts are still widely available, and the truck is customizable in many ways. Some owners keep it in original condition, while others turn it into a stylish Restomod with upgraded engines and modern interiors. No matter the choice, the Thriftmaster remains instantly recognizable and always admired. In conclusion, the 1954 Chevrolet Thriftmaster stands as one of the most iconic classic trucks ever built. Its timeless design, strong build, dependable performance, and unforgettable driving feel make it a dream for enthusiasts and a treasure for collectors. This truck captures the spirit of a bygone era, offering a reminder of when vehicles were built with heart, simplicity, and true craftsmanship. If you love classic automotive history, the Thriftmaster is a masterpiece that continues to inspire.